Start recording now. Hello, welcome to Weekly Insights, Monday 18th of December 2017. So we're getting towards the end of the year here. As always, start off with a little bit I've been up to. So I had an awesome weekend down in Brighton on Saturday for Ladsmas, as we call it, which is a bunch of my buddies from that I grew up with, around sort of local friends, if you like. And we all went off down to Brighton and had a fantastic, basically fantastic day on the lash, which was awesome if you're into that sort of thing. So that was really good. I didn't even feel too bad on the Sunday, and I'm still full of beans today, so it's all good, which is amazing. Seeing as it was a kind of 9, and actually no, I think I left the house at 8 and got home at like 2 in the morning, 1 in the morning, I don't know, something silly. Anyway, enough about that. What else are we going to talk about? Cryptos. What a difference a week can make, yeah? So let me just spin up a new tab here. So I was here with the Ethereum thing on Showboating Trader last week. What was it I put up? We're going to have bandwidth issues now, but yeah, let's just get that going, and then we'll do this Ethereum price. So last week I did Weekly Insight and I called it "Come on ETH, come on do something," yeah, and it had the photo of the guy prodding it with the stick, which was amusing me. Anyway, so it's kind of like wait for ETH to do something. This week all goes and explodes. So we're at 743 now. So this is 24 hours. Let's look at 1 week. So it was this time last week I was doing it 56.3%. That's just a one crypto alone. So I've got my holdings in that, and they've gone up quite significantly, which is pretty damn awesome, really. So I'm quite happy with that. So what a difference a week can make in the world of cryptocurrencies. I've got that screen freezing thing again. So if you're finding the screen is freezing, just give it a minute because it will come back. Anyway, what else can I yak on about? We have got, obviously getting ready for Christmas. So I've also started the book by Ray Dalio called Principles, which is pretty wicked. I must say I'm enjoying it. So obviously Ray Dalio is very well-known kind of trader. I guess he's an investor as well. I kind of know him more from a trading thing. But these are his kind of life principles in his book here, just called Principles, which are quite frankly fantastic. I'm a big fan of them, big fan. I've been enjoying that quite a lot. It's not just about trading, it's about his principles there. I am wondering if I've got too much going on with this camera freeze, which is going to do my head in if it doesn't come back. Are you going to come back to me? Hasn't moved in a long time. Ooh. Anyway, rubbish. Anyway, I'm recording it on YouTube, so you can get it on YouTube. If the links, I'll stick the link in the thing, so if you get to this point and it's still crap, just get it out in the comments and I will link it on YouTube. What else has been going on? So I haven't got too much else to talk about, really. So we've already mentioned... hang on, where am I? I'm losing my mind here today. I'm not doing too well. Anyway, we've already mentioned the book, already mentioned the trading. No, we haven't. I'm completely all over the place. Already mentioned the book that I'm reading. I've mentioned cryptos. So on the vibe of cryptos, I also bought some... I tried to diversify a little bit. I ended up buying a bit of Bitcoin, which I really wasn't expecting to do because it's so high. But I still believe all the fundamentals are pretty sound for Bitcoin and cryptos in general. So it was a little bit of a speculative bet, really. But I haven't put it in a big position. I've still got my core holdings in ETH. And I just wanted some exposure to Bitcoin in case it carries on going on forever. But I don't consider it to be a kind of like a large piece of the pie, if that makes any sense. I also bought some Monero, is it? Monero? I don't know. I'm not clued up with this stuff. But I am starting to kind of start buying other currencies, other cryptos is what I'm getting at. But again, it's all kind of small kind of holding type stuff, which is kind of key to it all, really. From a risk perspective. I mean, you hear about these people that have been putting their whole houses in it and all that kind of stuff. Man, I mean, that is going to be the bet that they're going to be sorted for life if it carries on it is now. I mean, they probably already are sorted for life if it carries on like it is. But it's all a matter of risk. If it doesn't, it will completely wipe them out. Maybe they can handle that and they can rebuild. That's fine. It's not a risk I'm willing to take. Anyway, let's get back on to some trading type stuff. So what have I got open at the moment? I've got one trade which came out of the group that I am in, which is CAD. What is it? CAD Yen. So it's what I call a trend continuation pattern. So you can see here we're moving down. We can see it's rolling down short, and we're just trying to grab hold of that trend. So we're kind of shorting around here, and obviously it hasn't rolled over yet, but with a good wind it will. So long may that continue. Another news: indices have been pretty damn bullish. So the Santa rally is in effect. So yeah, I mean that's quite a big jump for the FTSE today. FTSE, S&P 500 storming ahead. They're all loving it right now. Yeah, off that goes. That's going up there as well. So that's doing pretty well. So anyone in equities is pretty well off. What's oil? Yeah, commodities maybe still there. Now, what is key? Which I was going to talk about, probably the main thing for trading is silver. So I'm always looking at these bad boys, and it looks like silver might be starting to go a little bit long, or a little bit more bullish. So we're kind of coming off of this previous support level here. Obviously support is a kind of channel. Let's draw a channel there. So we potentially come off of this kind of region here, which could be acting as support. We've got a lovely little buy signal here going down here, which is fantastic, and yeah, that's all good. Now I actually topped up a bit. I bought a bit in an ETF. It's quite expensive to so I bought it on the 8th of the 12th, I think. Let's say that was midday. It shouldn't make any difference, but yeah. So I bought in here another bit of silver through an ETF. So which is similar to speculating through a trading platform, really. So yeah, I'm going to be keeping an eye on this to see how it carries on. I'm quite bullish silver, metals, all these things in the long term. It'll be interesting to see how they pan out in the short term. See how it looks kind of bearish right now. But anyway, yeah, so that's that really. But yeah, I haven't been doing loads of trading. I've been doing a lot of kind of trying to get ready for next year, think about what I achieve next year, my goal setting, all that kind of stuff. So that's been all fantastic. But I'm going to keep it nice, short and sweet today. So yeah, I just hope you all have a fantastic week, fantastic week, whatever you're getting up to. And yeah, that's it basically. Sorry about the technical screw ups. I'm still getting used, still trying this. So let me know if you get at. Yeah, I start looking at the Facebook screen and then I see it freeze and I'm just like, oh, is that normal? I don't know. But anyway, I'm learning. It's all a learning curve. Love to hear how you're doing. Love to hear how your trading's going. And yeah, I'm just going to sign off for now, and I hope you just smash it and getting ready for Christmas. But I will do. No, I don't even know if I will do another one. I might not do another one. What's the date? No, it'll be Christmas Day next week. So yeah, I won't be doing one on Christmas Day. I don't think anyone should really be thinking about this for Christmas Day. So yeah, I hope you all have a fantastic Christmas, Boxing Day, and New Year. I may do one before the New Year, but I also may not. So yeah, I hope you're all great. Love you lots. Live the dream. And I'll see you in 2018 where we're just going to smack it even harder.